Typically, the only thing holding kitchen cabinets together and to the building are screws. There's one here, there's one here, and if you look on the side, there are some side screws holding the cabinets together. So I will use my power drill with screwdriver attachment to take these cabinets out. I think I'll save the screws and use them for the new cabinets because they're pretty good cabinet screws. And this is a flathead screw, so I'll get a flathead screwdriver to get that one. And let's get this one down here as well. Now that I've removed the screws, all I need to do is pull this cabinet out. And we can replace it with a new one. I'll repeat the process for these other cabinets here. And for the remaining cabinets on the other side of the kitchen. And we'll have a nice looking kitchen.